You say I'm tripping, bullshit. You're the one that make me do shit. You're the one that make me feel it. The feeling of stupid. I was in your corner when you were putting me through shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DJ Nicole, or you can call me DJ on YouTube. So today I'm going to be showing you the newest addition to the Yara family, Miss Yara Bang. I purchased her in the color number 4 because she was sold out everywhere in every color. And I'm just going to be taking her out of the package so that you guys can see how she looks like. So this is what she's looking like. Miss Yara Bang is really silky and smooth. It's the perfect length. I would say she's about 10 to 12 inches. And it does come with wig instructions so that you know how to take care of her. And then this is the Yara family. So the Yara wig came in a variety of different styles. And this is the newest addition that they recently came out with. And I'm just going to be showing you guys the inside of the wig. So this is how the inside of the wig looks like. Unfortunately, she does not come with any combs, but she does come with 2 adjustable straps in the back. So you can tighten her to your head shape. So that's a plus for me. So these are what the adjustable straps are looking like in the back of the wig. And I'm just going to go ahead and tighten the wig. So I'm going to take the adjustable straps from the 2 ends and I'm going to bring them inward and connect them so that this is going to help tighten the wig and secure it to my head. Since unfortunately this wig did not come with any clips, so this will help with the security and tightness of the wig. And this is what my hair is looking like. I decided not to braid my whole head. I just put my hair into a ponytail and then braided it. So this is going to be as flat as it's going to get, but I would suggest that you actually braid your hair just so that it's flatter in the back and there's no lumps or humps. So I am using a light color stocking cap, and it doesn't matter what color you use for this wig because you can't really see like a scalp. There is a little bit of scalp in the middle, as you can see, but it really doesn't matter what color you use. And right now, this is what she's looking like. So she's looking pretty good, straight out of the package. I have not brushed her or combed her at all yet. And so far, I really like this wig. It's very easy, and yeah. So if you're someone like me that doesn't really have time to really do a lot to my hair, I would say this wig is perfect because literally all you do is throw it on your head and brush it to however you want it, style it how you like it, and then go. So this wig is really great for like an everyday wig, I would say. So literally all I did with this hair was I brushed it and smoothed it out a little bit, and then that was it. And this is what she is looking like. And as you can see, I was really loving her at this point. And I'm going to turn around and show you what the back looks like. So this is what the haircut looks like on the wig. So it's like a really blunt bob cut. So it's going to be a little bit shorter in the back and longer on the sides. It's really cute and sleek. And that's how the bangs look like from the side. And for styling purposes, all I really did was like brushed it and then I pulled it behind my ears a little bit. And that was pretty much it, guys. Now, for the moment of truth, does this wig shed? Here, as you can see, I was getting a little bit of shedding. So this is like one strand of hair. It wasn't shedding too bad. It was just like after I brushed it out, a few hairs kept just falling out. It was kind of annoying, but natural hair is shed, so it didn't really bother me. But if shedding bothers you, then I would say this wig isn't for you, because when you brush it out, you are going to get shedding. It's not a human hair wig, it is synthetic. So I feel like this wig is pretty good. I purchased this hair on blackhairspray.com for only $35 and $42.95 with shipping. So it's pretty affordable. So that was pretty much it for this wig show and tell. If you guys are interested in purchasing Yara Bang, go ahead and hit the link in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
My friends, real friends, better than your friends. That's how we keep popping out that binge, yeah. No foes, real friends, we ain't even gotta pretend, yeah. Get bands, spin it all on my friends. Pull me up, and never let me down.